Welcome to Moelfre Community Garden, a child-centred project for the community, by the community. The project is located at Moelfre Community Hall, right in the centre of the village of Moelfre, on the island of Anglesey in Wales. The land is owned by the community, and we were approached by Mynwent and Mon and the Eglwys Alliance to inject some colour and a place for the community to meet for both young and old. Another amazing partner was Keep Wales Tidy, who provided all the plants, the basic equipment and lots of advice and support in the early days of getting the garden off the ground. We held a public consultation and got the local school children to design the garden in conjunction with Cool Canvas, a design company who specialise in community garden projects, who offered their time free of charge. 12 months of hard work culminated in an opening event this August, where we had the local headmaster officially open the garden with the children, and we had a summer fete to celebrate the garden and allow everybody to enjoy it for the first time officially. It's been great to see the community really engage with the garden. We've had the school children down from the school as part of their curriculum, and people who volunteered come in regularly to prune and maintain the garden. One thing in particular that was really moving for us all was the request for a memorial bench, where we then ended up actually putting in a memorial waterfall. But the family who lost their loved ones have now got a place where they can come and quietly contemplate and remember. We're really looking forward to what the future holds for the garden. We're looking forward to the springtime with a new planting, seeing what vegetables we can bring, seeing what the kids are going to do and how they're going to interact more as part of their curriculum with the schools involvement. And just in general, seeing people use the garden somewhere where the community can congregate and be proud of and feel like they've got somewhere that they own.
This is very much a work in progress that began last year. So, quick introduction, this is our cemetery site. It's quite an old cemetery, so we have to be very careful when we dig. As you can see, this is Paul, and he's just looking after the trees. He's sort of the head honcho. Mae Paul wedi gweithio'n galad efo sy'n deitha ni be i wneud. Mae yna 92 o goed wedi plannu fan hyn ar hyn o bryd. Fala, pears, plums, cherries. We are hoping that we'll be able to have a beehive later on, but we have to have discussions with the vicar about that. So that's one for the future, and it'll tie in with our beehives that we have already. A mae hefyd y berllan arall sydd gynnon ni tu nôl i'r antur, felly mae hwn yn clymu mewn reit handi yn fan hyn. Mae yna bobl yn dŵad o dro i dro i gerdded o gwmpas y fynwant, a mae pawb wedi gwirioni wrth weld y coed ffrwytha.
Mae sawl grŵp wedi trio wneud rhywbeth efo fo a ddim wedi llwyddo, ond yn mis Medi 2020, so yn ystod Covid, oeddwn ni'n gofyn y cyngor a oedd yn bosib i dechrau datblygu y tir i jyst i roi cyfle i bobl i wneud rhywbeth yn yr awyr agored, ac ers hynny, dyn ni wedi cael prydles a dyn ni wedi symud ymlaen i datblygu prosiect uchelgeisiol i gwella'r bywyd wyllt a roi cyfleoedd i bobl.
It's very good company. The people who do gardening are always very interesting to meet. I'm really thrilled with gardening myself. They had an open day. A lot of very interesting people came to enjoy the open day and do various crafts and things. It's very exciting, I think.
Mae bob wythnos da ni'n cael sesiynau garddio fo'n gilydd. Mae plant yn dod lawr yma ar gyfer ysgol goedwig. A da ni hefyd yn cael cyfle i blant ysgol dod yma ar sesiynau i ddysgu am bywyd gwyllt, ba amrywiaeth, a i fwynhau y byd natur a y byd naturiol o'i cwmpas nhw.
Gafodd Seren ei sefydlu yn 1996 oherwydd gofod yn y farchnad ar gyfer rhoi darpariaeth i pobl hefo anableddau dysgu a chorfforol yn Ne Gwynedd. Mae Gerddi Stiniog yn dod o dan gofal dydd a mae unigolion yn mynd yna i cael profiadau gwaith yn ymwneud ag garddwriaeth. Da ni hefyd yn defnyddio Gerddi Stiniog fel gofod cymunedol ac da ni'n cynnal digwyddiadau yna. Da ni wedi datblygu llyfryn gweithgareddau. Da ni yn cydweithio hefo ysgolion lleol gan gynnwys ysgol addysg arbennig ac yn rhoi cyfle i bobl dysgu mwy am ochr natur, bywyd gwyllt a'r math yna beth. Ond yn y gerddi, da ni wedi datblygu hefyd i cynnal, mae gynnon ni cychod gwenyn yna ac hefyd ieir. A da ni'n cynnal hefyd gwersi gyda coleg lleol, coleg trydyddol grŵp Llanrilla Menai.
Project Penygroes oedd y peth fwyaf. Oedden nhw'n 2 flynedd yn ôl. Oedden nhw'n datblygu dipyn o dir i ni, lle oedd y tir jyst i fynd i wast. Oedd na llawn yn byd yn mynd ymlaen yna. So, gafon ni garst yn hwyraidd, lle picnic, gwellian llwybra, falle a jyst sbrwsio'r lle i gyd. Oedd o'n gwych. Da ni'n tyfu blanhigion, dechrau o ha, a hefyd da ni'n brynu plygiau ar adon ymlaen i werthu. Da ni'n gwneud bach o waith coed, clirio tir. Da ni'n gobeithio dechrau mynd allan i'r gymuned i wneud fwy o waith yn y gymuned i bobl eraill hefyd.